The University of Notre Dame embraces a holistic approach to promoting the common good, applying its research and training resources to global challenges. Notre Dame seeks to maximize its impact by partnering with government agencies, NGOs, humanitarian organizations, foundations, private corporations, and other implementing partners in the United States and overseas. Current University of Notre Dame activities are already contributing to international development in a number of areas. The Kroc Institute for International Peace Studies has increasingly applied its expertise in religion, conflict resolution, and peace building around the world. In 2008, the Notre Dame International Security Program was established and now provides a forum where leading scholars in national security explore some of the most pressing national security issues. The Notre Dame Haiti program, led by Father Tom Streit, has gained international acclaim in its battle to eradicate lymphatic filariasis from Haiti. The Haiti program has implemented new solutions to fighting LF.
Real solutions that target poverty at the root are not Band-Aids. That's Father Tom's standard for global health and development, and it's a good one.
The Eck Institute for Global Health is a university-wide venture that promotes research, training, and outreach to advance health standards for all people. Advanced Diagnostics and Therapeutics is developing technologies and tools to combat disease, promote health, and safeguard the environment. Within Notre Dame's Department of Civil Engineering and Geological Sciences, work has already begun to develop a multi-hazard resilient housing model for Haiti to rebuild communities and livelihoods through sustainable solutions. Faculty have implemented a multifaceted collaborative project focused on improvement, protection, and management of critical groundwater resources in Benin. With the launch in 2008 of the Ford Family Program in Human Development Studies and Solidarity, the Kellogg Institute has expanded its scope to include human development work in Africa. Human development at the University of Notre Dame involves efforts to understand conditions that affect human welfare.
Some of the research that we've been doing so far include water and sanitation. We focus on that, on health, on how to strengthen village health teams in rural Uganda, and civic engagement.
Part of the focus of the Center of Sustainable Energy at Notre Dame is the Sustainable Energy Initiative, or SEI. In the future, SEI's transformative solar research can assist developing countries in energy solutions that are more efficient and sustainable. The Notre Dame Environmental Change Initiative is conducting research on invasive species to address issues of environmental sustainability that impact developing countries.
We are seeing the role for Notre Dame in sparking innovation, in sparking new partnerships with business, corporations, the government, only the beginning of what we see as the role for what they can do in Haiti, in Africa, in India, and across Asia, in Latin America, and other places.
The Helen Kellogg Institute for International Studies has long been renowned for its work on democracy in Latin America. Experts at Notre Dame Law School's Center for Civil and Human Rights have participated in recent training sessions focused on presenting human rights cases before the African Commission on Human and People's Rights. The law school's new program on law and human development will embrace an innovative approach to the role of law and justice in human development. The Mendoza College of Business houses one of the nation's oldest business ethics programs, the Center for Ethics and Religious Values in Business, which advocates ethical business conduct in a global setting. The college's Gigot Center for Entrepreneurial Studies promotes research and training in micro-venturing and social entrepreneurship. A new course at the College of Business, Business on the Front Lines, explores the role of business in post-war reconstruction efforts. The Institute for Educational Initiatives is working to assist in the development of a Haiti Teacher Institute. Through teaching, research, and outreach, the Institute helps improve the education of all youth, particularly the disadvantaged. The Center for Social Concerns, or CSC, specializes in developing community-based research.
The University of Notre Dame is advancing its research programs. One area of advancement is the research area of global development. We have a lot of things going on at the university in global development, and we're looking for partnerships in order to create innovative ways of applying our research into the field.
The work that you're doing on human development in Uganda is groundbreaking. The work to relieve suffering and to build partnerships in such varied places as Lebanon and Kenya and Bosnia has really been setting the tone for the way American institutions need to engage abroad.
Time and again, Notre Dame has risen to that challenge. Thank you for recognizing that we need you now more than ever.